My people, now welcome to our YouTube channel at SabiMakeAm. So the thing we want to do today be say, I want to show now how to do body spray. One thing you go know about body, or you should know about body spray be say, body spray no be the same like perfume. Perfume you go spray on your clothes, for your clothes. Body spray na for your body, you go spray this one, and you fit spray am up to 6 times a day. But for perfume you go spray am only once. So that is the thing where we go show you today on SabiMakeAm. So these are the ingredients, these are the things where they go carry use do body spray. So the first thing, this one na major ingredient. Without this one you no fit do your body spray. This one is called what? Methanol. This one is methanol. So this one is called glycerin. Now this glycerin go make the body spray last small time for your body. This one here is called what? Fragrance, or you go say na perfume. This one na fragrance. These ones are the container where you will carry put the body spray. So may I see how they do them. No be too much. No go take too much of your time. You open your methanol here. Pour in your fragrance. The thing wey dey for fragrance be say you fit take different perfume so that the fragrance go dey very fine, go last for your body. So this is your fragrance. You open am. When you don open am, you carry the methanol, pour the fragrance inside of it. See, I pour everything inside. The next thing wey I go put na my glycerin. The glycerin, I said, e go make the perfume here last for your body for a long time. So now for this cup, the cover of this bottle I go carry put. I'll pour it. I go put am for this cup too. You no go put am too much oh. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel SabiMakeAm. I go put another one. You don't do with that one. Now to cover am now. Cover am well. Make you turn the mixture well so that it go enter well. Mix well. Now from our YouTube channel at SabiMakeAm, where you go learn how to do this thing. So as you see there, my body spray down there ready. Now the next thing we are going to do is that I go put them now for my container. This container they of different sizes in the market. The one where they like small barrel, they. The other one where big pass this one day. So now you go choose the one where you want use. So you don't dey ready. I don't turn and put for my container. So when I don't turn and put, I go carry this in where they call what? Straw. I'll cut it because this side is dey too long. I go now fix them for here. For the cover here, I'll put them. Then now put the thing inside my container and cover them. You see, my body spray down there ready. Remember, I say no be for cloth to wear una go flee am. Now for your body, you can see how to do what? Body spray. It does not take time. You can use about 10 to 15 minutes. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at SabiMakeAm. God bless you.
Make una no forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at SabiMakeAm, or follow us on our social media platform at SabiMakeAm, or you fit even call us for this number. Thank you.